This is the Mattawamkeag River. We're in Bancroft. This is a vacation place, a second home. 3.6 acres of land in a little over 1,000 square feet of living space. There's a rear deck, an open front porch, and a Quonset hut for storage of your toys. There's enough land for privacy, but you're in a township with under 100 people, so you don't have to worry about crowds. A metal roof means snow does not stay around. The exterior is vinyl sided. A 10 by 5 storage shed used to have to do the trick, but with your new Quonset hut, you finish it off to however you want to use it. You've worked hard, and you're looking for a waterfront property, a place where you can hear yourself think. 2633 Bancroft Road will fill that ticket. There's a hot tub. The porch is screened in. There's 880 feet of frontage on the Mattawamkeag River. The porch that's on the front of this chalet camp, cottage, vacation home is 24 by 8. Your kitchen has pine cabinets, real wood drawers. It measures 17 by 10. There are stainless appliances. It opens to the living room that's 17 by 14. 2 ways to heat the place. There's a pellet stove in the corner off the kitchen. There's a gas heater. With this much insulation, it's going to keep you nice and warm in the winter. You have a balcony, cathedral ceilings. The bathroom laundry on this level This door takes you to the rear deck. There's lots of hooks for all the clothes from people coming in out of the outdoors. Beautiful, natural beadboard. Circuit breakers in the oversized laundry utility room. There's a washer-dryer hookup. They just did a lot of work in this area on the flooring. You come out of the bathroom or the laundry room and head back out into the main living area. Neat design, isn't it? Can you see yourself being here on vacations? Those long 3-day weekends? Ready to go upstairs? In the balcony lofts? 18 by 10 on one end, 18 by 10 on the other end. You've got just a little over 1,000 square feet. And there is a window. It's like a skylight, Velux type. You overlook the living area. .6 acres, 880 feet of frontage on the Mattawamkeag. That's what's across the road. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. The 11 by 9 laundry room, utility room, could be a third bedroom on the first floor if you put a stackable washer dryer. Here's your drilled well. The Quonset hut is 36 by 32 and does a good job of providing shelter. We're trying it out. Lots of landscaping, the gravel all in place, the earthwork done. Put the back on this one and put your pontoon boats, snow sleds, four-wheelers, whatever you want to use it for. Call, text, email. Get hold of MOOERS Realty and ask for more information on 2633 Bancroft Road on the way to Woodapitlock. East Grand Lake not far away either. you've got waterfront options galore.